Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. World's largest insect faces extinction due to humans' chocolate demand. 72-year-old dad waits at bus stop every night to make sure his daughter gets home safe. The only woman to ever get a 10-degree black belt in judo did so at age 97. She taught judo until she passed away at age 99. In the 1849 California gold rush, supplies were so limited that basic items became very expensive. In some camps, one egg cost $3 over $80 in today's money. Scott Doe is a skilled chainsaw artist who shapes raw wood into stunning sculptures that convey motion, emotion, and vitality. The true inventor of the fire hydrant is unknown because its patent was destroyed in the 1836 US Patent Office fire. Fat found in butter, red meat, and eggs reduces risk of dementia by 18%. Ducklings were used for medical therapy back in 1950s. Study reveals that those who stayed single in their 20s end up with the most loyal and good-looking partners. Study confirms Earth's orbit triggers ice ages and the next is expected within 11,000 years. After accident, the blood can't be washed off for 24 hours for the police to investigate. Research shows that the extinct megalodon was one of the fastest sharks to ever exist. Contrary to popular belief, blowing into video game cartridges did not fix them by removing dust. Reinserting the cartridge fixed the connection. Studies have shown that between 99.0% and 99.9% of all participants in multi-level marketing schemes lose money. 15-year-old invents a smart shoe that charges devices by walking. In Norway, it's illegal to advertise to children under 12, so no toy commercials during cartoons. In 2011, a man had a heart attack at a grocery store in rural Minnesota and 20 people lined up to perform CPR on him for over an hour and a half until paramedics arrived. He survived. New research shows tinnitus is connected to a critical bodily function. Sleeping on your stomach can cause neck and back pain, breathing issues, nerve compression, and skin wrinkles. Back or side sleeping is generally healthier. Earthworms have even been ranked the number one most influential species in the history of the planet, even above dinosaurs and humans. In 1984, all Coco the gorilla wanted for Christmas was her own pet cat. When she was given a toy cat instead, she refused to play with it and signed the word sad until they finally gave her a real one. US President James regularly bought slaves in Washington, D.C. and quietly freed them in Pennsylvania. A study found that male gorillas who participated the most in babysitting duties sired more than 5 times the offspring of male gorillas who avoided childcare. Male gorillas are often quite snuggly, letting infant and juvenile gorillas cuddle, play, and just hang out in their nests. CBI used to add bird songs to their Gulf broadcast to get rid of awkward silences until they got caught by someone watching at home who knew the bird songs belonged to birds that did not live in the region in which the Gulf tournament was being played. An elephant destroyed a house in a remote village in Bengal and then turned to head back into the forest. When a baby trapped under the rubble began crying, the elephant turned back and gently removed every last bit of debris covering the baby with their trunk. Floral chamomile soak. Nordlingen, Germany is built inside a 15 million year old meteor crater. The town has integrated parts of the meteor into its structure, including St. George Church, which is encrusted with meteoroids and microscopic diamonds. Lemons, oranges, and limes repel spiders. Simply mix one or all of them with water in a spray bottle and spray in doorways, window sills, and wherever you have seen spiders. You could develop kidney stones. Animal based protein have a lot of compounds called purines. These break down into uric acid, and if you have too much of this acid, you will develop kidney stones. Want to get the smell of garlic off your hands? Rub them vigorously on your stainless steel sink for 30 seconds. Wash them with soap. Boom, no more garlic smell. Overthinking, scientific way to stop it. Overthinking happens when the brain's decision making center works too hard, causing mental overload. Studies show chronic overthinking increases cortisol, leading to stress and anxiety. Your brain craves certainty, but overanalyzing creates decision paralysis. Mindfulness reduces rumination by strengthening the brain's ability to focus on the present. Journaling helps externalize thoughts, making them less overwhelming. Regular exercise lowers stress hormones and boosts serotonin, improving mental clarity. Practicing acceptance rewires neural pathways to reduce fear of uncertainty. Breathing exercises activate the parasympathetic system, calming racing thoughts. Taking action disrupts overanalysis by engaging the brain's problem solving mode. Thanks for watching.